Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me for another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you my mom's stuffed bell pepper recipe. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel before you go. This is another one of those childhood recipes I remember growing up. My mom would always make us stuffed peppers. We had it like once a week at least. And my mom passed away, but I figured with Mother's Day around the corner, what better way to honor my mom than to go ahead and just share her recipe with you all. This recipe serves between 4 to 6 people, and I'm making it just the way my mom made it. She always used a half a cup of white rice. You could use wild rice, and she always used ground beef, but you could use like ground turkey or sirloin. So to get started, we chop all the tops off of our bell peppers, but we won't be discarding these tops. We're actually gonna chop all of these tops up and they're gonna go inside of the filling for the bell pepper. So we'll chop the bell pepper tops up. We also chop up our onion and garlic. Once you're done dicing up all of your vegetables, then add them to the bowl with the ground beef. And then you want to add in your rice, your breadcrumbs, your oregano, your garlic and onion powder, and season it with a little bit of salt and pepper. Once that's done, I'll whisk my 2 eggs and add it to the bowl, and then I mix everything together with my hands. Yes, I mix everything with my bare hands. In another bowl, I add a can of tomato sauce and I mix in a little bit of oregano, a little bit of sugar, garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then I just whisk it well. Then I take all of my peppers and I add them to a greased baking dish, and I simply begin stuffing the meat mixture inside of the peppers. And again, yes, I'm using my hands. I like that I can get a little bit messy with this dish. Next, I pour all of the tomato sauce over the peppers, and then I'll go ahead and cover it with foil for the first 30 minutes while in an oven. It goes into a preheated oven at about 350 degrees for 1 hour. Once the peppers are done, I simply remove them from the oven, and then I'll garnish them with a little bit of fresh parsley. That's gonna wrap up this video. Thank you again for watching, and I just want to take a moment to wish everyone a very happy and safe Mother's Day. If you're still blessed to have your mom around, please give her lots of hugs and kisses, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye.